What is now left is only the 27 out of the 5 critical dates that are statutory, which is the 27 November 2024, which is the voting inside the country. And we are well on track with the preparation. So what are the lined up electoral activities for this day, the 27th? As we have already shared with you, where we are now, we are busy packing and distributing, or busy with the packing and distribution of sensitive election materials, which we have already started on the 11th, and we expect this to end on the 17th November 2024. After that, we expect the dispatch of these sensitive materials to all our regions under police escort. And these will be stored at our regional police stations.